Isaac's first time eating.
Is that good? Yeah, I'm only 3 months, but I think I'm ready.
Almost 4.
What do you think about that? What do you think about that, son? Huh? Your sisters are gonna see this. They're gonna be like, whoa, he's eating. Say, I'm almost 4 months, and I think I'm ready. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? You like that or no?
I think it might still be a little too soon. But you know what?
We need to get a baby spoon. We weren't ready to eat. We weren't expecting for you to eat right now.
We just wanted to try it. Because you're old enough.
What do you think? What do you think about that?
Doctor said we could.
Here you go.
He's such
Try
a
that.
happy boy. Chunky-licious, is that good, Bubs? Oh, boy. Is that good, Bobby?
What do you think?
Chunky.
Here you go. You opening your mouth. Hey, Smarty Pants. Let's try some more. Let's see if you open your mouth now.
Oh, Bubba. What is that about? Huh? Oh my goodness. Is that chunky boy?
Do you think you're fat now? Wait till you start eating this. Here you go. Try again.
Oh. Isaac. Chunky-licious. Let him swallow it, babe. Okay? I think you're giving him too much. Let him swallow.
What do you think about that?
Let's just see what he does for a second. Isaac, is that good? Oh my goodness. Did you just eat? Oh my goodness. Is that enough for today? Is that enough? I'm not sure how his little say. Oh honey. Is that good? Is that good? Let's see what you do if we don't give you any for a second. Oh my goodness, Missy Pants. Look at you. Oh, really? You want more? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You see Daddy holding that? Oh my goodness.
You want some more? He's looking at it. There you go, babe.
Oh, honey.
This is like bitter for him right now. He's learning how to swallow it. You don't know how to swallow it. Want some more? Yes.
Not so much, babe. Okay.
Are you done?
Let's see what he does. If he just don't get any, just get even if it's for a minute or so. Let's just see what happens. Oh my goodness, bud. Was that good? Huh? Was that good? Isaac, November 17th. Oh my goodness.
You want more?
Oh my goodness, he's a big one. He's a big chunky. Oh yeah? Is that really good? Oh my goodness. Tell Mama some more. Tell me more. Was that delicious? Oh yeah. Oh, you tell Mama. Tell Mama. What's going on? Oh, what's up, honey? Oh, you tell me. Oh, was that delicious? Was that delicious? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's a big boy. He's a big boy.
Isaac, you want some of this? Want some more?
Ooh. You're giving him too much because we don't have a baby spoon yet.
I'm letting it fall in his mouth.
I know, but just not too much, please. Wow. Oh. Wow.
You gotta get used to it.
Just let
Let me see if you open his mouth.
But let him just process that for a minute, baby.
Do you want more?
Oh my goodness. Let him just do his thing. Oh my goodness, Isaac. Oh my goodness. You are a big boy. Isaac, look at Mama. Isaac. Hi, babe. He's a big boy. Was that peaches and cream and oatmeal really, really good? Oh, big boy. You're a big boy. Yes. Yes, you are.